Hi guys, I'm back. Did you miss me? I know, I think the last time I filmed was probably like the beginning of May, and we are on May 18th, right? Yes. No, May 19th. Oh my god, it's May 19th. But I have a video for you, and it is my Boxycharm Base Box. It is here. It arrived yesterday. Well, all my beauty subscriptions have arrived. So I have lots of videos to film for you guys. But before we get into this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I upload videos, as well as follow me on Instagram and Facebook at The Soto Beauty Subscription. All right, guys. Here it is. Here is my base box. It is the $25 one from Boxycharm. You get 5 full-size products in here. It could be beauty products, beauty tools, skincare. And you get to choose one of the items from your box, which I did choose an item in here. And we'll see what that item that I chose, if I remember. And yeah, so Boxycharm does have 2 other subscriptions, which are premium, which is $35 a month, and you get 6 full-size products in there, and you get to choose 2 of the items in there. And then there's Boxy Luxe, which is a quarterly box, and that replaces this box, and it's $50, and you also get to choose 2 items out of that box, and I believe it's up to 8 items in there. All right, so let's get into the base and see what I got in my May 2021. I always forget to tell you what month. I've noticed that. All right, so this is what it looks like. Base is always in a red box, and here is the card. This month's theme is Boxycharm Flourish, and you see all the beautiful flowers all around. And then in the back of the card, we get what product we receive, description, and the price, which is awesome because that's what I love. All right, let's get into this box. And now I kind of remember what I chose, and here it is. This is the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Detoxifies, revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and a blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize, pollutes, and strengthen skin's barrier while you sleep. This, guys, retails for $74. I think this is the last product that I am missing to start this skincare regimen, because I do have the other, because this is the orange line, I do have the other products that go with this. So this is what it looks like. You get 1.7 fluid ounces, and I think this is like the coolest thing, that you pump it out from here, and that's gonna help to minimize getting any types of germs inside of there. Even though if it's your product and you're sticking your fingers in there, it's always good to just like pump it out, and nothing's gonna get inside of this. So I think that's a pretty cool. I like this, and I can't wait to try it out and see if I like it or not. So all right, I see something fun colors in here, and here they are. This is the Lavish Essential Eye Collection. The Essential Eye Collection contains 5 handcraft vegan-friendly brushes to create the most subtle or dramatic looks. This retails for $30, and this is a new launch. Okay, so it comes in this like very flimsy plastic pouch, and it says Lavish there. And here it's what it looks like. The colors are amazing. I love the greens and yellows. Perfect for springtime. So here is what the 5 brushes look like. Really nice. They feel really, really soft. I like this one. This is like a blending brush. Really nice. The only thing is it only says Lavish. It doesn't tell you what the brushes are. So for newbies that, you know, are getting into makeup, they're gonna be like, oh, what is this brush for? What is this brush for? So yeah. So like this is like a blending brush. This is definitely for like a liner. The angle there. This can be a brown, what's it called? A brush definer because of the tips there. And here's an angle brush right there. And a flat brush to like lay down the eyeshadow products. Okay, so I can't wait to try these out and see. I think I want to say, have I ever received brushes from this company before? I don't think so. I think they have been in these boxes, but I've never had these in my Boxycharm subscription. So I'm happy to get that and try them out, you know. All right, the next product I see here it is. This is the Mellow Cosmetics Lip Gloss. Get ready to spice up your lips. The ultra glossy, non-sticky formula has a unique smooth feel. It can be worn alone or over any lipstick with the added goodness of vitamin E and avocado oil. The Saint Topaz shade is the perfect mauve, and it is cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. This retails for $18. Okay. Trying to see if my camera's still rolling. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. Love the packaging and this frost product container here. And it is so Saint Topaz. Sorry, look at like my skin. My skin has been so extra dry lately. I'm trying to see if it has a scent. I don't smell anything, but this is what it looks like. Let's just test it out on top of this lipstick that I have on. Okay. It's not sticky at all. It just like kind of like deepened up my color a little bit, but I like that. Okay. Excited to get a lip gloss, especially that, you know, during the hot summer times and stuff like that. I prefer a lip gloss over a lipstick, you know, just to nourish the lips and stuff like that. Okay, let's move on. Okay, the next product here, this is the Dry Bar Hot Toddy Heat Protected Mist. A lightweight spray protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 degrees to Fahrenheit to 232 degrees Celsius, and this is retails for $27. Oh my god, I like this. Oh, this is awesome because I'm always like, you know, straightening out my hair or making curls, waves, and stuff like that. So I'm excited to try this out because I did run out of like my heat. I put heat protective oil or like sprays and stuff like that. So I definitely want to try this out from Dry Bar. And I do like Dry Bar products, so I'm excited for this one. Awesome. All right. Okay, guys, and the last thing here, it's in a bubble wrap. They really bubble wrap this. And I want to make sure that this palette is okay because when I got my box, the mail delivery guy literally threw my box at the door. And this palette like was on the bottom. So hopefully it had the foam and then it had this, that the eyeshadow palette is protected. This is the Cab Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. This palette has a new formula and a new sustainable package with 18 high pigment shades to create looks for both day and night all-in-one products. All-in-one product. Use the softer, lighter shades to create your favorite daytime look and play around with the bolder, darker shades for a more intense nighttime look. This is a new launch as well, and this retails for $52. So here it is. It's Cab's Cosmetics Day and Night. So let's see what this palette's all about. Is this the one that is by a Real Housewife? Is this their brand? I want to say, because this is, I think this is like my first product from them. Ooh, so no damage. Let's have a protective seal. These colors, oh my god, guys. So we do get a mirror, so that's why I'm putting this box over it. And look at these colors. Wow. They look really, really nice. Oh, wow. I'm excited. Really, I thought I got a smell with the something, but these look really, really gorgeous. Wow. I'm liking this. I don't have any shimmers on, so should we do a shimmer? I'm looking at this one right here called Sunset. So really pretty, like pinky tone. I don't know how to explain the color. So let's first try it out with like a flat brush. Let me get one of my favorite flat brushes here. Okay. And then let's just test this out. Okay. So first we're going to try it out with a brush here. And see. So I got some product there. I'm going to tap it a little bit. And then just place this on. Let's see if I get any product on. Not really. Okay, I'm going to use my finger. Usually shimmers, oh wait, this feels different. So this is how it came out. I'm not sticking the middle finger at you guys, okay? It feels kind of dry. Do you see that? I don't know if you guys can see that. This feels really dry. I don't know how I feel about this, guys. I'm so sad. Like, I'm dead serious. Look as I'm like really going in it. Let's see if it swatches. Oh, you know what? It doesn't really swatch. Can you guys even see that? I don't even know if you can see that. Oh my god. Let's see. Are all the other ones dry? This copper one. I don't know how I feel. Okay. I mean, the other shades might be nice. Let's see Moon Dust. I'm going to go into Moon Dust right here. Let's see how that one is. See, that one doesn't feel so dry. Oh, see, that one's better. That one was better, guys. Yeah. I'm sad because Sunset looks such like a pretty color, but it just wasn't doing it at all. But Moon Dust did it. It looks nice. Okay. All right. I mean, I'll still play around with this palette and see what I think. You know, maybe the setting spray can help it like get that pigment going. And yeah, we'll see. All right, guys, that's everything that I got in my base box. And of course, I will put the total amount for this month for the May 2021 Boxycharm Base Box. And let me know down below, what did you think? I gotta say, I'm excited for the Mirror. The Mirror alone already like pay for the box and more, because that product is $74. So I paid $25 for this box. So that's crazy. And I'm excited about the hair, the heat protective hair product here. The lip gloss looks very promising and does feel very nice on my lips. Of course, I'm not mad about getting brushes. Not like the other brushes that we got last time, the orange ones. Oh my god. I gave them to Bella. Bella has them. She just uses them just to play around with them or whatever, because those were like the cheapest brushes. And they were so expensive. What the hell? Anyway, the palette, like I said, I'm going to still play around with it and see maybe if I use setting sprays and stuff like that, that it will, you know, work a little better. But I got to say, it still was a good box. Not a great box, but a good box. Like, I'm excited about it. But like I said, Mirror already pay for the box here. All right, guys, that's it. Let me know down below, what did you think? Did you enjoy this? And yeah, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified, as like always said, when I upload videos. And yeah, that's it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at DSoto Beauty Subscription. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all on my next video because I'm gonna keep going. Yes. All right, have a good day and lots of love. Please be safe out there, stay healthy, and yeah, bye. Mwah.